Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to turn on Do Not Track in the Naver Whale Browser on your mobile device. This feature is essential for anyone who wants to improve their privacy while browsing the internet. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy option and select it. Here, you will see the Do Not Track option, which is designed to prevent websites from tracking your browsing activities. Finally, turn on the Do Not Track switch. Once it is enabled, the browser will send a request to websites to limit the collection of your personal data. Enabling Do Not Track is an important step to protect your privacy online. It helps reduce unwanted tracking and gives you more control over your personal information while using the internet. Thank you for watching this guide on Naver Whale Browser.